everyone, and welcome to my Serena. Ano ba yan, baby? Ayan no, may salarin. Kaya gumalaw yung tripod. Serena, no! Tama, i-play na lang. So, today, we will unbox this Kitty City. Napadpad kasi ako sa Robinson's Galleria. So, pumunta ako sa, syempre when I saw Pet Lover Center, automatic, pinuntahan ko. And ito yung first thing that caught my eye. It's a Kitty City. Tagal ko na kasi gusto bumili ng cat condo, cat tree for them. Pero alam mo kasi it's big and bulky. And this looks very, very modern, and it looks like it can be configured based on your space or based on your preference. So, tara! Buksan natin kasi mas excited ako na ma-experience nila. So, when I got it, this is, by the way, not sponsored. Pero, beke naman, dalawa lang kaya kong i-afford. Actually, sponsored pa yung isa ng kanilang granny. Yay! So, yung dalawa lang muna. But, it actually comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. Ayan siya, oh. Pwede siyang ganyan din. Oh, diba? Pero syempre, ito yung ultimate dream. Ito. Pero ewan ko, ang laki masyado. We'll see. Ultimate dream. Tignan natin kung magkasya. Wala nang space dito sa kwarto. Tapos, so dalawa lang muna. Pero, sana, baka next week bili na lang. Sino kaya ang pinakamabait na mga sa kanilang mga ninong at ninang? Tara na nga, tama na yak-yak. So, yun nga. Sabi nila meron silang meron silang branches, pero wala sa South. Ang naaalala ko lang is sa UP Town Center, tsaka UP Cebu. Yung iba hindi nakalimutan ko na. Tsaka syempre, UP Cebu, UP Town Cebu, tama ba? Hindi ko sure, pero sa Cebu yung isa, tapos basta wala sa South. So, una kong kinuha is this one. Pero sabi ko, paano kung hindi na ako mapadpad ng Galleria? So, kinuha ko na siya. At I begged their granny to get it for me. It's a climbing hill. This one is the tower. Let's see. Will you help me? Kiddos, help me naman. Kasi, sorry, nagulat ako. Kasi para siyang ano lang, sobrang dali lang yung i-set up. No? Oh, kasi po sarili ko, no? Siguro naman madali i-set up. Meron namang instructions. May instructions. So, hindi tayo mahirapan. If it's properly labeled, I mean here, bakit ito nakahiwalay? Malaman natin mamaya. Pero yan, everything that is inside the box is here. So, bale, sundan mo na lang. Okay? Wait lang ha. Intindihin ko lang to. At may mga nangungulit na dito. Wait lang, kiddos, these are yours, so don't worry. Hey. Di naman. This one, I think, madaling, hindi naman sa madaling masira, but this will be the first thing that they will ruin. Actually, guys, after reading a lot of, syempre, articles about cats, ganyan, the reason why cats will ruin your furniture is because they don't have much toys to stimulate their themselves with. So, siyempre, if may sofa ka, yun na lang. Kung wala kang scratching post like this, we have one sa labas. Yun yung scratch nila. So, if you notice, look, ito, meron ng scratches yung ano ko. Kasi admittedly, wala kami masyado. Like, scratching pads, scratching posts, po. So, yun. Finally, meron na. And hopefully, they won't ruin furniture as much. Let's start. Hi, babies! Of course, everything, I will be very, very careful with the babies. These plastics will be thrown away agad after I set it up. Para hindi parang children lang, para mga bata. Kailangan agad-agad. I don't know if you will be able to see it. I have very, very minimal space. So, I hope you can see it. But I'll try to show you everything. So, this A, B. It comes with C also. C is the one with this one, no? Yeah. Excuse me, anak. Ay, naka naman. Anak, lahat na lang. I think this is a mistake with them being here. Ito yung C. Hindi pa naman kailangan. Oh, wow. They will love this. They will love this. Oh, see? Tingnan mo pa lang, oh. Serena, Serena. Ayan na si Blair. Ayan na si Blair. Narinig lang. Oh. Kiss mo na. Mamaya na. Pag naayos na, no? Hi there. Are you my supervisor?
Nope.
Later na, no. Tara na nga. Serena Magol. Check natin kung ilan nga to. Dapat 19. 18. Joke time to, ah. Baka ito yung 19. Ulit. 19. Joke, ako hindi marunong magbilang. La. 18, ano talaga yung bilang ko kanina? Hindi siya 19. Ano to? Bala na. Ayun na sila, naglalaro na dito. Ang hirap pala. Dapat pala hindi ko muna kayo pinaglaro. I've been wanting to buy them a cat tree. Though, meron sila kasing cage. Doon sila natutulog. Sa gabi lang. Hindi naman talaga namin sila kani-cage. We just cage them. Kasi yung gulo nila eh. Kaya minsan, talagang nasa pinapakawalan ko is si Simba. Simba doesn't really like staying here inside. So I just let him be kasi naninira siya ng yung lining ng cage. And tinataob niya yung kainan niya. So eventually, I let him be. Masaya siya dun eh, di fine. And then, si Edward then, sometimes he stays on my head. It's a pillow. Sometimes he doesn't. So, if magigising naman yun eh, kung ayaw niya na sa loob ng kwarto. Guys, this is very simple. Look. Hindi mo kailangan maging genius. Promise. Ang dali lang niya. Na-OC ako kasi andito yung na-OC ako. Andito yung nakasulat na sports pet. Ulitin ko lang. Nakaka-OC siya. Promise. Bakit may 1, 2, 3? Sakto talaga. 1, 2, 3. Ano to? 4! Nasasakto ko siya nakuha. 2. Bakit ganun? Wala naman nakasulat na 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. Nasistress ako. Andito sila. Parang mali. Serena, huwag ka dyan sa plastic na, girl. Babies. Bahala na pag nawala to, kayong na to. Excited kasi ako, kaya ako go lang ng go. Habang itong dalawa, nandito. Ayun, sinala. Yun na nga, like I was saying kanina, sila may cage dyan. So, which was given by my Nina. Thank you so much. yun na nga, may cage. So, may malaking space na na-occupy dyan. And so, wala kaming space for a cat condo. So, I'm thinking, if I set this up, like the big one, I get most of the parts of the, whatever it comes with, I will take out the cage. But the problem is lang kasi nga, in the middle of the nights, as all you cat owners would understand, they will run and run and run and run and run like that. Ayan, hindi ko alam kung naririnig nyo. Pero takbo ng takbo ng takbo. Kahit. By the way, I'm alone in the room. Sorry. I'm with my cats. They will run and run and run and run even if they run on your face. So, pag-isipan natin yan ng mabuti. Kagaya kahapon nang naawa ko kay Bella kasi of course it was just play and Bella wanted to sleep na siguro pero the kids wanted to play with her. So yun, nagalit si Bella. Ha, pinaghiwa-hiwalay ko muna sila. The kids naman, they don't wanna stay in the cage. Nag-iingay sila eh. Talagang nagmamakaawa sila to be set free. So, pag-isipan natin how ano na yung arrangement natin dito, no? Hindi ako nasi-stress, promise. NANI? Mukha lang ako nasi-stress. Late na kasi. Sana hindi niya matamaan yung tripod, promise, mga bata. Ito na, inaayos na, babies. Huwag na makulit. Unahan ko daw yung instructions. Ilan na ba yung hair ko? Babies, come on! I'm setting this up for you. Laro-laro lang kayo dyan. Tulungan niyo naman ako. Tulungan niyo ang nanay. Maririnig nila to dito sila pupunta, promise. Kilala ko niyan. Item under spring. Pressure. Keep item away from children and face while opening. Oopsie. Okay. Okay. Look at that. So amazing. Sarap. Sarap. Okay. Got it. Understand. The only thing that will keep you from building this matagal is if OC ka kagaya ko. Basta, ang sinasabi ko is this one, yung logo. Siyempre, lahat gusto ko face up. Huwag yun naiintindihan pagka-OC ko. Ladies, will you help your mama? Instead of playing, will you help your mama? Hey, 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 hey. No fighting, girls. Nala, this is also yours. Serena, my girl. Hey, 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 no, 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 no. This is plastic. Bye-bye. Not for children. Okay, tama yan. Yan ang mong laruan. By the way, they aren't babies anymore. Paano ko nasabi? Eh, teka, naintindihan ko na. Hindi kasi inuunahan mo kasi. Inuunahan mo kasi. Galing mo eh, no, ate. Kasi babasa ng instructions. Girl. Girl. Try natin. Ayaw talaga. Ay, nako, girl. Nakaka-stress ka. Ah! Ow! Nako, girl. Kung binasa mo na lang kasi. I hope you understand bakit ako nangunguna sa instructions. Ganon din ba kayo? Siyempre, excited, di ba? At least, di ba? Gagawa pa rin ng paraan. See, that's what I mean. Siya ang unang nagsira ng aking, ang tawag na, chair pad? Chair carbons. It's coming together slowly. I don't even know ano ba itsura nito. Ah, okay. Nakikita, ay, natago na si Serena. Serena! I'm sure they will love this. I hope. You know that meme yung what I buy my cat? Spending my money on cats. Pala, gano'n. And then they will just like play on the boxes. Mga ganyan. Para makita nyo. How is this supposed to look like? Okay, I got it. Want it? I got it. Want it? How's that for you, Bella? Liking it? Owie! O, diba, ang dali lang. Tapos, ano siya, pwede, you don't necessarily have to follow the instructions. Well, syempre, there are. But you can still configure it like yung per box, yung per cube. So, for now, I will follow the instructions and then, i-add ko na lang yan dito, yung climbing hill. What I like about it is na if hindi siya sa kaliwa, if hindi siya kasya sa dun sa space na ilalaan mo, so pwede mo siya ilagay sa other side, or you can make it even higher. Depende. So, ang daldal ko, hindi ko alam na cut na pala siya. So anyway, ayun na nga. Naabot na ako dito. And then, ayan na, pinaglalaroan na nila. I don't know if nakuha kanina, but anyway, ulitin ko na lang na I don't know if this is sturdy material, so I might change this one to this part. Which is easy lang naman, madali lang hila-hilain. Kasi nga, feel ko, baka masyado na lang daganan to. And then, tawag dito, masira. So, sayang. Kasi nga, I suppose, as a cat, I would leap here and then scratch here. Unless, they will stand and then ganun-ganun. Bahala na. I'll observe. And then, saka natin palitan. And then, this one is the last part. Yeah. Excuse me, Serena. Oh, diba? Andyan na siya. Naglalaro na sila. So, ito na lang. Last few parts. Yeah, last few parts. Last few parts. Bilisan natin para hindi na naman mag-overheat ang camera. Kasi, di pa ako maka-upgrade ng camera. OC ko kasi kaya ito winawalan na yung camera. Ayan na naman ako, hindi ako sumusunod ng instruction. Ay, nako, Nikki. I suppose this is extra. If you will need it, I guess. Do not throw these away. These pipes can be used not only as extra parts but also to connect your unit to other kitty city units. So, yan, extra. I guess we will need it for the other one. But, ayan. Sunod muna tayo ng instructions. Bam! Where to put this though, anak? We like this, no? Kiss mo na si Mami. Aha! Aha! You can attach it there or anywhere. Ala, sunod na sunod si Serena. Wawa naman ang bebe ko. Tapusin muna natin, anak, ha? And then we'll see. Let's have you play it, ha? Ano ulit? Opo, wait lang, baby. Ano to? I guess these velcros are for the additional attachments. There's a bed kasi. Pero wala akong nakita sa dun sa Pet Lover Center. Pero on there, dun sa box, sa packaging, nakasulat mayroong part. So, hopefully, magkaroon din sila or baka wala lang nilang stock. Or mag-demand ako. Charot. Oh, diba? They love it. They love it already. I'm so happy. baliktad si mama. Ay, hindi. Tama. Tama si mama. Oo, sana hindi mag-overheat. I knew it, see? Hey, no, don't scratch it. Oh my gosh, baby girl. Where's my baby? Bella, I mean, baby Bella. Serena is waiting for this. You like this, baby? Yun na. Wait lang naman kay mami, ha? Don't pressure, mami. Nala loves it. I can already see her reaction. Wait lang, anak. Wait lang, ako. Doon. Para matapos na natin to. Serena, tapusin muna natin to, ha? Tada! Oh, wait lang. Hi! Siyempre siya yung mas mahal. Hindi yung mas mahal, as in, mas mahal yung binayaran. Hey! I'm finally done! O, see, diba? It's so easy. Super easy to assemble. O, in fairness, hindi na ako makita. Alo, ayan. Oh, malaki siya. Having 6 cats, I think this is worth it. I think they will love this. They will love me more. Ha! Charot. Ayaw niya lang pumasok. Oh my gosh, I hope they don't... No! Please do not. Oh my God, feel ko mabubutas. Malalakas sila. Ta-da! And this, we will put here. Para abot naman ng bata. No? Bata? Are you admiring it? Tada! Yay! Natapos ko din! Diba? Ang dali lang. Para ako IKEA. Oh, I miss IKEA. Oh, diba? Ganyan-ganyan lang. Oh, pasok-pasok lang. Oh, Siyempre, nasa taas ang baby. Andito sa ilalim. Oh. Nasa ilalim yung laruan. Ba't ka nandyan? And this is for... Feeling ko mapapadpad ulit ako sa galeria. Excuse me mga anak. Lagay lang natin to, ha? I'm so happy! Tada! So happy, and let me show you my masterpiece. Part 1 pa lang yan, because I have the other one, it's just a climbing hill. So, let me show you the tower of Kitty City.